Financial ratios can be invaluable tools for making decisions about companies you might want to invest in. They are used by individual investor, professional analysts, and there are variety of ratios to use. Financial ratios are very important while analyzing the financial statement of any sector like FMCG, financial sector, banking sector, any to anyone. Financial ratios are cast into four categories like profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, valuation ratios. In this article and this video, we will look at each category and provide examples of simple to use ratios that can help you easily gain important insight into companies you might want to invest. So begin with profitability ratios. Profitability ratio is a key component to analyze when making investment in any company. Higher revenue as a whole do not indicate high earnings. Profitability ratios help in providing insight into the profit earned by a business. Profitability ratios used to assess the capability of any business entity, whether company, firm, professional entity, or a sole proprietor. Various examples of profitability ratios can be gross margin ratio, EBITDA ratio, return on asset, return on equity, return on investment, net profit margin, operating cash flow margin, return on capital employed. Net profit margin is more oftenly used in any business entity. Liquidity ratio. Liquidity ratio is an indicator of how quickly a company can repay its debt. Liquidity measures how well company's assets cover its expenses. Liquidity ratio provides pervasive view, that is overall view about working capital flow in the business. Liquidity ratio provide investor an idea relating to operating efficiency of a business entity. There are various liquidity ratios. Some are like current ratio, cash ratio, quick ratio, receivables turnover ratio, inventory turnover ratio, operating cash flow ratio, working capital turnover ratio, and many more. To analyze the financial statement, financial position of any business, liquidity ratios are way important than any other ratio. Solvency ratio, another important ratio which every investor wishes that company should remain solvent throughout his working life cycle. Solvency is position where company has the ability to pay all obligation and debts. Generally, company with lower debt is more favorable investment for an investor. Solvency ratios are leverage ratios used by investor to get acknowledged with the position of solvency of the business entity. Some key solvency ratios are such as debt to total asset ratio, interest coverage ratio, debt to equity ratio, net income to liability ratio, time interest earned ratio. Interest coverage ratio is more oftenly used in any business to check the solvency position for short-term debt. And valuation ratio, the last but not the least. Value of any entity is most attractive thing for the investor. Valuation ratios are most commonly used and quoted in financial statement for analyzing the attractiveness of an investment in a company. Valuation ratios take into account the price of a share of a company to give an investor a view about company, whether it is overvalued or it is underpriced. There are various examples of valuation ratios such as PE ratio, price book value ratio, price to sales ratio, price to cash flow ratio. PE ratio is given in every financial statement mandatorily because it represents the earning capacity of a business entity. Thanks for watching video. Do like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon. Do comment in comment box the topics you are interested. Thank you.